अपंगत्व आयले म्हण जीवन थारना, आमी ताजेर मात करूं येता हो संदेश दिवंक कारगिल हिरो DP सिंगान गोंयांत दवरिल्ले स्वच्छ एबिलिटी रनाक गोंयकारांनी पेजाद प्रतिसाद दिलो। हातपाय बरे आशिल्ले आनी वेगवेगळे तरेचे दिव्यांग मेळून 1600 लोक आयतारा सकाळी रनिंग रेसींनी धावले।
I will appreciate the abilities of people around me and respect and value every creation of God.
स्वच्छ एबिलिटी रन हो कॉन्सेप्ट कारगिल वॉरांत पांय गेल्लो मेजर DP सिंगाचो। देशांतले स्वच्छ भारत अभियान आनी सिंगाचो स्वताचो कॅम्पेन दिव्यांगांक समाजांतल्या मुख्य प्रवाहान हाडपाचो मेळून घडयिल्लो हो स्वच्छ एबिलिटी रन आयतारा सकाळी कांपालार जालो। हे कार्यावळीत 10 आनी 3 किलोमीटर रेसी जाल्यो। 1600 लोकांनी स्वच्छ एबिलिटी रनान वांटो घेतिल्लो। दादल्यांच्या 10 किलोमीटर रनांत विनाश कुमार पयलो आयलो, जाल्यार बायलांचे सर्तींत प्रतीक्षा प्रभू जिखले। समाजांत दिव्यांगाचे महत्व खूप आसता अशें म्हणत मनोहर पर्रीकरान तांकां प्रोत्साहन दिलें।
I consider Divyang as a very important component of the society. They can contribute more than sometimes normal person. And I have seen these abilities, while they have disadvantage in certain faculties, I have seen their abilities in some other faculties growing to the best of the level. And the confidence which we think we need to give them comes from various activities including education.
दिव्यांगाक सगळ्या तरेन मजत करपाचो हेतू स्पष्ट करत ब्लेड रनर म्हणून फामाद आशिल्लो DP सिंग प्रुडंटा कडेन उलयलो।
This is my NGO, the Challenging One. This Challenging One NGO is something in which I endeavor by the means of sports enabling people. Right? Thank you, sir. So, the Challenging One I started in 2011 after doing my first blade run. I remember the day, in fact there are few challengers of my group here floating around also, all the amputees. I remember the day when they were so much inhibited by the disability that it was difficult for me to even make them speak to each other. That I am talking about 2011. From that day, from one person to another, it's like a chain of family members. If one person do some activity, he puts up about that activity in front of others and others gets inspired, then somebody else join, then somebody else join. Like that the chain has joined, and today we are 1400 amputees connected, and out of 1400 around Arun come here, around 400 are such who have already participated in various running events. Arun has come specially from Bangalore. If you see, he is an amputee. Yes. And he, before he could complete his first year of amputation, we both have together done a 10-kilometer run in Bangalore. So this is the spirit which we get inspired from the action of each other.
गोंयांत जाल्लो हो स्वच्छ एबिलिटी रन आता बेळगांव, हुबळी, मंगलोर आनी बेंगलोराकूय जातलो। प्रुडंटा खातीर नीरज प्रभू आनी तुळशीदास च्यारी।
भरणे फॅमिलीच्या BFL ह्या फास्ट फॅशन ब्रँड स्टोराचे उक्तावण काकुलो मॉलात जाले। ह्या स्टोरात वेगवेगळ्या ब्रँडाचे कपडे मेळटात।
BFL is the first and only fast fashion brand in Goa, and we definitely plan to take it pan India. Our key would be the best merchandise available across India, I would say, because this merchandise, this line has not come overnight. We've studied the entire market, we've studied the Western market, got a lot of idea from there, and I've taken this bold step to start the first fast fashion store in India. So our key would be merchandise, and our second key would be customer service. If we concentrate and focus on these two things, we're going to go a long way ahead.
Which are the top brands available in India?
The top brands in menswear here would be Being Human, Jack & Jones, Indian Terrain, Levi's, River Blue. And in women's, we've got Vero Moda, we've got Noosh by Anushka Sharma, we've got Sheen, we've got Deal Jeans, we've got Rare Rabbit, and we've got Shazar. These would be our top labels in the store.
It's a proud moment for Goans because in Goa for the first time we have a true Goan fashion brand. BFL is by Bharne family, who has been known, trusted name in Goa for the last over 100 years. Now the next generation has come up with a fantastic concept, BFL. I'm sure this is going to revolutionize the garment retails in Goa.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.